Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Vocab T10 series. This is list 11. If you haven't watched the previous lists, if you haven't watched the previous videos in this playlist, I strongly recommend that you watch them first to have a fair idea of the two techniques that I'm going to use. The first technique is called etymology, where I'm going to use root word or the history of a particular word to help you memorize the word. The second technique is mnemonics, which basically works on the principle of association. If you can link any new piece of information to an already known piece of information, you tend to retain it better. So I'm going to use some funny links. The more ridiculous the link, the easier it is for us to memorize the word, to retain it, and to recall it later. So these are the two principles that I'm going to use. Let's begin. So we are going to do 10 words related to money. This is the second list of such words. List 10 also consists of words related to money. This is a second such list. The first word is impecunious. As discussed in the previous list, pecune is a root word which means money. So if in any word, any English word you see pecune, it has to do something with money. For example, pecuniary. So if you talk of pecuniary considerations, you're talking about monetary considerations or fiscal, financial considerations. Now, if you add a negative prefix to this root word, impecunious, it means without money, which means poor. So India has a vast population of impecunious children, poor children who do not get to eat every day. So impecunious. Okay. We are using the root word, which means we are using etymology here. Pecune is a root word for money. So impecunious means moneyless, poor. A super high frequency word family. All of them are synonyms for this word. All of them are synonyms for poverty, basically. So poverty, privation, destitution, indigence, penury, paupery, want. All of them are synonyms. Let's try to retain them quickly. Privation, first half of the word private. So if you are working in the private sector, they are going to suck every single drop of blood of your veins, and they're not going to pay you enough. They're still going to pay you pittance. So privation in a private job, that's how you can memorize it. Privation in a private job. Destitution, if you change the prefix, it's a known fact that most women enter into this profession because they are poor. So destitution leads to prostitution. That's how you can memorize the word. Penury, first half of the word penury, no penny. If you don't have any penny, you are suffering from penury, poverty. So no penny is equal to penury, no penny. Indigence, you can relate this word to India. This is, now I'm using mnemonics here. I'm giving you some links to memorize the word quicker, to at least to retain it till the exams are over. So indigence, India is something that you can relate this word with. Also, please note, there are two cars names, Indigence, Indica and Zen. These are Garibo ki gaadi. Unlike Porsche or BMW or Audi. So Indica and Zen. Indica and Zen in indigence. So if you are living in indigence, you are most probably going to buy these cars or use these cars, Indica and Zen. Okay. The next word. Now just imagine you are living in utter poverty, indigence, impecuniousness, paupery, want, and suddenly, stroke of luck, you get rich. Some uncle leaves his entire estate to you in his last will. Now this unexpected monetary gain is called windfall. Any unexpected monetary gain or gift is called windfall. So if you know this guy, Sushil Kumar, an indigent man, impecunious person, apparently, and he became the first, not the first, probably second crorepati on this show, game show Kaun Banega Crorepati KBC. So Sushil Kumar, for him, this money came as a windfall. So unexpected monetary gain or gift. Simple link. Out of nowhere, you get rich or you get a monetary, endowment. Then we can say windfall coming on the wind. हवा से पैसा आ गया आपके पास, windfall. And then there's a synonym for this word, fortuitous, which means lucky by chance. Now, please remember, you are not working towards it. You haven't done anything. You just got the news that some uncle left you his entire estate in his last will. This is fortuitous occurrence or fortuitous happenstance. So fortuitous means lucky by chance. As you can easily relate this word with fortunate, I don't think there will be any problem in recalling the word if the need be. So fortuitous is equal to fortunate by chance. Fortuitous is equal to fortunate by chance. Another synonym for this word, an exact synonym, an absolute synonym, is serendipitous. If you have watched the movie Serendipity, you probably know this. So fortuitous is also serendipitous. And how to remember this word for those who might not be aware? Serendipitous. Surrender to your deity. Deity is God. So if you are, absolutely poor, you are, you are an epitome of poverty or impecuniousness, simply surrender to your deity, pray to him, surrender to your deity for serendipity. So you might get a stroke of good fortune, good luck, and you might get rich just like that. Surrender to your deity for serendipity. Serendipity is a stroke of luck. Okay. And then you become affluent. I hope most of you are aware of this word, common word. Affluence is extreme wealth, riches, fortune. Affluence, a lot of money, wealth. And people who have affluence also have influence. So simple link, affluence leads to influence. An absolute synonym, opulence. And it is interesting to note that for indigents, we saw two cards, Indica and Zen. Indica and Zen in indigents. Now you have become rich. Now you are opulent. So you are not likely to use Indica and Zen. When you become opulent, you're probably going to use Opel and Lancer, Mitsubishi Lancer, fancy, elite, swanky cars. Opel and Lancer in opulence. So Indica and Zen in indigence, Opel and Lancer in opulence. Okay. And then gradually you become extremely rich, an influential, a powerful, rich, influential person, mogul, a business tycoon, a honcho. So mogul, a rich, powerful, influential man. There are multiple examples. Some you can see here on the screen. So Ambani is a business mogul. Easy to remember. You can relate it with Mughals. They were rich, powerful, influential. So Mughals were moguls. The synonym list. Such a person is also called a magnate, a personage, a honcho, tycoon, or a baron. Some of these words you might already be aware of. So magnate is a business magnate. Everyone is attracted to this man. Everyone. So magnate is a business magnate, rich, powerful, influential person. Personage is a big personality. Any celebrity, any big personality is a personage. Okay. The author of Barons has become a baron. By the way, Barons is a book for GRE preparation. GRE is an exam. So the author of this book, Barons, has become a baron, extremely rich, powerful, etc. Two more related words related to money: bourgeoisie, bourgeois or bourgeoisie, i.e. the middle class is called the bourgeois. I don't know how relatable this picture is, but this is a television show in which one pet dialogue for this woman here was so middle class. So basically, bourgeois is the middle class society, or the middle class of any country can be called a bourgeois. Okay. How to memorize this? Bourgeois. Break it across these two syllables. Our geo, that is Earth, is full of bourgeois. I know this sounds ridiculous, but as I said, the more ridiculous the link, the easier it is for you to recall it later, and you might observe it later. So our geo is full of bourgeois or the middle class. Only a small percentage is affluent or opulent, extremely rich, and relatively small percentage is poor, extremely poor, impecunious. Our geo is mostly full of bourgeois. Okay. Proletarian. A proletarian is a member of the labor class. So blue collar jobs, people who are engaged in blue collar professions, blue collar jobs, they belong to the proletariat. So proletariat, the labor class; proletarian, a member of the labor class. How to memorize? Proletarian is not literate because he can't read, write, as well as people engaged in white collar jobs. That is why he pursues these professions. So proletarian is not literate. You can simply remember this word using this link. Okay, so these are the words for today. Impecunious, poor; privation, in private job; poverty; penury is equal to no penny; indigence, indica and zen wale live in indigence; destitution leads to prostitution. So these are words for poverty. And riches, affluence leads to influence; opal and lancer, in opulence. You become a mogul. Mughals were moguls. Magnate is a business magnate. Baron, the writer, the author of Barons, has become a baron. Okay. We haven't discussed this word. Let it be. So you experience a windfall, any unexpected gain, monetary gift or monetary gain, windfall. Bourgeois is the middle class. Our geo is full of bourgeois. Proletarian is the labor class, blue collar workers. Okay. That should be it. See you next time. Until then, bye-bye.